Hi guys, I am extremely excited today to do the unboxing and sharing the honest and detailed review of Roborock's F6 Max V vacuum cleaner. It's with artificial intelligence latest technology. I was looking for a Roborock's vacuum cleaner for a long time, but the reason why I waited for it is that I was looking for something which is great and efficient with the mopping function as well. I hope it will make my life much more easier. So let's do the unboxing. I'm so excited to share with you guys. I have heard a lot of good reviews about it. This is one of the best Roborock line and one of the most impressive robot vacuums we have come across. It will do an excellent job of keeping your floors clean and avoiding obstacles. This is the most powerful and advanced model with 2 cameras and even LiDAR on board to make sure it's efficient in its cleaning and unlikely to get stuck anywhere. So here it is. So let's open it, and it comes with the moisture proof mat in case you want to install it in a room with a wooden floor. And then this is the app installation guide. Either you can download the Xiaomi Home or the Roborock app. You can choose the one which meets your need. And then we have a network connect guide on how to connect the robot to the Wi-Fi. And then this is the mop cloth bracket with the mop cloth. This is the cable to supply power to the charging dock. So this is an additional HEPA filter. One is already installed in the dustbin. This is the charging dock. Robot automatically returns back to this charging dock once the cleaning is completed. So here's the robot. Let's just open it quickly. Alright, here is the robot look like. It's in black finish. So it has the cameras in front which helps to avoid the obstacles. On the top it has LDS, which is laser distance sensor for navigation. So first of all I will connect the wire in the dock station, plugged in the charger. Now grab the Roborock and just place it in the docket. It will charge automatically. Let it charge just for about 3 to 4 hours. Press and hold the dock recharge buttons for a while and it will connect to Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi lights start flashing. When I open the front flap, inside it has got a dustbin, so all the trash will collect here. Then there is a tool blade brush, comes with a blade on one side which helps to cut away the entangled hair on the brush and to clean the bristles. Next it has the water tank. You just need to open the water tank and fill it with water. Let me just show you the closer look of the water tank. So here it is. Now just slide the water tank under the robot until it clicks in the place. And then insert the mopping pad to enable the mop function. Now let me show you the demonstration on the cleaning performance of this robot. I have put some trash and black soil here and I have initiated the zone cleaning mode to clean this particular area. It navigates to the border first and then cleans in the middle area. Let's just do a demonstration on obstacle avoidance. So just to show you how it works for obstacle avoidance, I put here different objects. Powered by the stereoscope dual camera system and reactive AI technology allows robot to recognize and avoid obstacles, pet poops, power cables, etc. It can detect objects of a minimum size 3 cm tall and 5 cm wide. It accurately estimates their location and size and reroute its course around them. Equipped with infrared imaging, it can also see in the dark. The strongest fan in this robot takes a bow. The 2500 PA Hyperforce Stormer gives S6 Max V the grunt to better capture the fine dust from floors and reach deeper into carpets. Robot allows you to look around your home even when you are away. Launch the Roborock app and drive around seeing what S6 Max V sees. You can even send voice messages. For cleaning a bin, you just need to take out the dustbin, open it and empty it to the trash bag. If it is more dirty, you can remove the filter and clean it separately by just water. Allow it to dry before putting it back. It has 297 ml snap mop system to unlock advanced mopping features. You can set room specific mopping schedules, tailor water flow by room, use no mop zones to keep your carpets dry and more, all controlled in app. For mopping, you can open the water tank and fill it with water. Once the mopping is done, you can take out and wash the mop cloth. Now just slide the water tank under the robot until it clicks in the place. Now let's just explore the features available in the app. Launch the app, it will show connected robot vacuum cleaner. Click on the vacuum cleaner to open the map and other features. Here you can select different modes like room, full, zone. Full is the default mode. For cleaning specific rooms, click room mode and select the rooms to clean. You can also define the room sequence. If you want to clean a specific area, you can select zone mode. It will allow you to select the specific area you want to clean. From here you can click on the vacuum and mop button to select the different vacuum power and water level. Using customize option, you can specify vacuum and water level for each room. The app allows you to define no-go zone, no mop zones, invisible walls. Once the map is safe, the robot will not go to these zones. Using edit room function, you can split room into more sections or merge two or more rooms. Here you can change the sequence of room for cleaning. Before you start using the vacuum cleaner, it is recommended to update it to the latest firmware. Roborock keeps on releasing firmware updates for bug fixes and performance improvement. In the robot setting, you can enable disable features like carpet boost, do not disturb mode and the timings. Default timing is from 10 p.m. and 8 a.m. With the carpet boost mode, the robot automatically detects carpets and turns the suction power to maximum for a deeper clean. It returns to previous mode when robot is back on hard floors. In Manage Maps, you can define multiple maps. In Camera function, you can enable, disable reactive AI, pet details, remote viewing. Robot Voice allows you to select between different languages and also to adjust the robot volume. Schedules allows to set scheduled cleaning time. Robot will automatically start cleaning at the scheduled time. You can specify the vacuum mode, water level and days of week. Pin and Go allows you to select a specific spot in your flat and click on Go button to instruct robot to navigate to the spot. Remote control function allows you to navigate the robot using the app. App allows to choose button mode or use as joystick. Cleaning history provides the details of all the previous cleaning performed by the robot. Maintenance function notifies you when to clean, replace different parts of the robot. Overall, this vacuum really did a great job cleaning up the whole house. This is something which I really need to make my life much more easier. I'm really impressed with it, and it really does a great job by avoiding obstacles as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it will be helpful for you. If you have any queries, please feel free to comment down below and I will get back to you as the earliest. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.